Welcome to Top 3 Hotels. If you're looking for a cheap flights, then this video is for you. Please open your web browser and go to website benexavia.com. As you see, we are on now Benexavia website. You can also find the link on the video description. Please also don't forget to subscribe to Benexavia notifications in order to be informed about flights discounts on time. So how we do it? You press this blue button here on the bottom. Then you press subscribe, then allow. Okay, now we are subscribed. So why we choose Benexavia? Because Benexavia is one of the best artificial intelligence-based flight search platform to find and compare budget flight tickets. It searches through hundreds of airlines and flight search booking systems to find for you the best budget options. So imagine like you really economy a lot of time on searching for flight tickets, and this website does all job for you. You don't have to go to each airline's website and looking for flights what you want to buy. So what's our next plan? So we have to choose our airports, departure and arrival airports. Let's say we are flying from New York John F. Kennedy International Airport to London Heathrow Airport. Let's choose departure date, let's say May 5th, and return date May 26th. And the passengers, it's two passengers, 2 adults. Okay, now we press search. After that, we press search button, and Benexavia will search for us a lot of airlines and parallelly flight booking search systems. Meanwhile, you can also check these filters. You can filter out by direct flights or like baggage information, like without baggage. If you want prices without baggage, you can also like choose here this option. Duration of stops, you can sort of like compare, like you can also filter out what price you want. Departure arrival times and other useful filters you can use here. There is also one very important option, is like this calendar. It shows prices depends, like the cheapest price on specific dates. For example, let's say in 26 May we have really good price, but let's say if in 24th May it will be lower than like $451, and we can also choose this date in order to economy more money. So let's say we choose as you see, like there's really a lot of options. British Airways, American Airlines. You can press the show more flights button. It give you more options. JetBlue, Iberia and others, but usually the lowest prices are also usually on the top of. So let's say we choose American Airlines. Now Benexavia will redirect us to the website from which website it took these prices. So let's wait for a little bit. Sometimes it took like some little bit more time. You can check again all details if it's wrong or right. Okay, so after that you just have to enter your contact information, contact details, press to continue, and like then fill out some form and proceed with the payment. So that was all. I hope it would be very helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and please also share your comments with us. If you want us to make another video related to travel, for example, like how to find other kind of budget travel services, please just write us comments and we will do our best to make video about it. Thank you very much. We appreciate your time. Thank you for your attention. Wish you a nice day. Bye bye.